Makadzi was speaking about the increase of tribalism against Limpopians, namely Tsongas and Vendas, because recently there was an incident whereby these two individuals, they had a car accident, bumped into each other's cars, and they started having an argument. So one of the guy who's a Venda guy was speaking in isiZulu with a slightly broken accent, and then there was a Zulu guy. So the Zulu guy was confronting the Venda guy, asking him, "Yeah, your Zulu is a bit weird. Where are you from? Can you show me your ID?" And then the Venda guy got really angry. And this incident is not the only one. There have been many incidents. In KZN, it happened that a Tsonga guy was attacked because he was speaking Xitsonga. And then also another Venda guy in the Western Cape, he was attacked just a week ago just because he was joining March and March and he was speaking in a not a very good Zulu accent, right? Because when you don't speak isiZulu properly with an accent, they say you are a foreigner, and these incidents happen all the time. But anyways, here's the video of the incident. When Makadzi highlighted the tribalism against Tsongas and Vendas, she was attacked online. They said that she's lying. And she's not lying, it's been happening. There are many videos that I did. You can even go to my videos that I did previously. Maybe there are 5 videos that I did about this. Even this incident, I didn't even want to do it because I thought the incidents are so many that I'm starting to repeat myself. But now I can see that it's such a big problem that I'm going to talk about it. Anytime there's an incident like this whereby a Tsonga or a Venda is attacked just because they can't speak isiZulu, I'm going to talk about it. And if you have other incidents similar to this one, please send it to me. I'm going to talk about it here on my platform. But anyway, so Makadzi said that, "My lovely South African, I would like to clarify that I'm not a politician and I might not stated my mind in a good manner because of English sometimes is a problem to me. But I am really sorry for those who were affected by my previous post. I made my previous post because I was worried about most of the videos you see online that when you're speaking Venda, mostly they get to doubt that you are a South African citizen. And what transpired, my post was a recent video that my Zulu brother was asking my Venda brother ID. For me, that was sensitive. You can imagine in your own country, someone